Hello everyone. Today we'll understand how rate limiting works and what problem it solves. Okay, so when you say the problem is you are sending too many requests to the server, which can overload the server, and most of the requests will get timeout because of that. So the idea to solve this is we can limit the number of requests per user. How it works is user send his request, server keeps a track of the user request, and if the limit is exceeded it will block that request. Example, we can keep 5 max requests per minute. So what it will solve is it will prevent abuse, protect the server, and ensure a fair usage. So this is how rate limiting helps us. Okay, so next there are a few algorithms that are used for rate limiting. The most famous is the fixed window, as it is simple to implement and it has low overhead. But the major companies that use is the leaky token bucket. So token bucket. Okay, so we'll implement token bucket through a Node.js demo and implement rate limiting using the token bucket algorithm. So let me just navigate to the source code. So here this is the Node.js source code. First understand the concept. Think of this token bucket as a bucket filled with tokens. We have fixed number of tokens in the bucket. So for this demo purpose I have fixed it to say number 5. Okay, and every time a request comes a token is consumed. Okay, in simple form, if a token is available, request is allowed. If bucket is empty, request is blocked. This is the simple funda of the token bucket. It's very important to understand that bucket is refilled over a time at a fixed rate. So here in this demo we have given the refill rate as 1 tokens per second. So after every 1 second the token will bucket will be refilled. So I'll just walk you through the code. This is the max token, this is refill rate, this is a user object we are creating as we have to track user based on the IP. So this is the middleware function token bucket. We are just fetching the user's IP and request IP, not user IP. Then we are just getting the current time, then user details. If the user is not present, then we are adding this as token and last refill time. Then we are checking the time, what time has been passed, then we are refilling the token, and here we are updating the token. So here we are capping it to 5 tokens only, uh, so that we can avoid the abuse by the user. Okay, so this is the main validation over here. If we check if user token is greater than 0, then we'll just decrement the token count and allow the user. Okay, if the token user token count is 0, then we are just blocking the request, and then this is how token bucket is implemented. uh, so now I'll just give you a small demo. Here the server is running and in the curl I'll just cmd I'll just make the curl command. I'll just request to this local 3000 server on of my port local. So I'll just hit it. So the request is success and number of tokens limited is 5. If I keep hitting continuously, so the tokens are decrementing and now no tokens left. So no tokens are left. That means I'll start getting the error, too many requests, try again. So at this point no tokens are left. Okay, so no requests are allowed. So even though you have a valid request, but since the token has expired, token is left, no tokens are left, you are not allowed to make the request. Now if you wait for some time, then again try to process, the request is validated and it is allowed. This is what makes the token bucket more powerful. It allows short burst of traffic but controls the overall request flow. That is why it is used by most of the modern APIs to in their rate limiting algorithm. Okay. In summary, the request consume tokens, uh, tokens refill over a period of time, and the system remains protected. Thank you.